everyone, so today we will make this Minnie Mouse hair clip that is so easy and so simple. The things that we need to make this hair clip are pink foam or red foam and white foam sheet and a hair clip, a normal hair clip, and only these materials we want. So please make it and enjoy. So let's make it. Here we have done our Minnie Mouse hair clip that was so easy and so simple, and I hope that you will also make this Minnie Mouse hair clip. This is so easy and it looks awesome. You can wear it on your Minnie Mouse costume or any costume. It will look awesome, and I hope that you will subscribe, like, share, comment and click the bell icon. Please